everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing a mystery box with you. I said that right? Unboxing a mystery box. Full disclosure, I do already know more or less what's in the box, most of the items. I'm having to refilm this because I had a little mishap. Stay tuned to the end and you might see at the moment that I realized that I was missing something on my face. But I am excited to do this. I want to make these videos kind of like a regular thing on my channel. I did just order a small box. This box was worth $50. But I will put the rundown somewhere in the video or in the description, or I will just tell you as I'm going the price of everything, what's still available out there online. But if you enjoy the video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and that'll send you a notification every time that I upload. If there's any other videos that you would like to see, let me know down below. I will be swatching some of this stuff. Some of this stuff will be swatched, but in every mystery box that I do, if I continue to do these, anything that I don't think is for me or that I maybe already have, I'll probably put to the side for a giveaway. Like I said, I want to give away back to you guys as much as I can for your support. So let's see what's in this mystery box. Well, I already know, but you know, you guys will see. Okay, so the first item that was in the box that I pulled, I'm just going to go in the order that I did in the beginning, was the Laura Geller Baked Blush-N-Brighten. So this is a baked blush, and it's actually a very pretty color. The packaging is super simple, sleek. I was already going to open it. And it's like a peach. It is not peachy. It is like a darker pink mixed, marbled mixed with like a pearlized softer pink. It is a very beautiful color. This one I think I might have, so I will be saving this one for a giveaway, so I won't swatch this one. But if you're curious as to what exactly a baked blush is, it's very similar to like Milani Luminoso or any of their baked blushes. It's basically almost like a blush that has like a little bit of pearl in it. Very beautiful. I like to wear these mostly when I have like no makeup or like very light makeup, because I don't like to go super strong on my highlight when I don't have full face of makeup or, you know, heavier makeup. So again, this one is in the color Peach Delight, but I will tell you right now, to me, I feel like it's definitely more pinky than peachy, but I can see where they would call it Peach Delight. So this one does retail for $29. This one you can get on the Laura Geller website for $20. I'm sorry, $29. And up next we have the Too Faced Love Light Highlight. This on the box does say that it is a high shine highlight. I'm going to swatch this one for you guys again. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. The packaging is super cute. I was saying earlier that me and my husband are obsessed with hearts. He's always like surrounded by hearts. I don't know what that means. If anybody knows what that means, let me know in the comments down below. But he could like spill a bottle of water and it'll be in the shape of a heart. He'll be like driving to work. It'll be in the shape of a heart, a cloud, a random cloud or something. So we have the highlight in the color You Light Up My Life. It's a very pretty, it looks really pretty in the packaging. Now, when I contacted the lady about maybe wanting to be buying the mystery boxes as often as I can, she said that all her makeup is authentic makeup, so I'm going by her word that this is all authentic. It looks it so far. I will say I don't know if this is what this is supposed to look like. It has a couple of dark specks in there. It swatches pretty okay. So these highlights are very how should you say it, very light. So that is one, like, I passed it once, twice, rubbed it on, passing it again once, twice. It's very buildable. There you go, that's the word I'm looking for. So you can build it as intense as you want or as light as you want, which is nice in my opinion with a highlight, because not everybody likes to go in with a very bright highlight, especially if you're doing like a more toned down look. So this again was in the color You Light Up My Life. Yeah, very pretty color. It's really cute packaging. I don't own any of these. And that is the color one more time. Okay, up next we have the Buxom Big and Sexy Bold Gel Lipstick. This one is in the color Nude Exposure. I was saying earlier to you guys that I don't love the finish of these, but it's pretty cute packaging, nice and thick and sturdy. The lid is magnetic. That's pretty cool. I don't own any other lipsticks that have a magnetic lid. The color is different from the sticker, which sometimes I understand, but sometimes can get annoying when you're like at the store trying to pick up something. Oh, I'm so sorry. The Too Faced highlight is available on Sephora.com or on the Too Faced website, and these ones do retail for $30. So I was saying the Buxom color is different than the sticker. Sometimes that is annoying when you're shopping at the store, and it's not similar, because to me it's not similar. This is like a peachy nude, and once you swatch this on, it's very, like, in my opinion, lighter and more pink nude. And this one is in the color Nude Exposure, like I said. So this one is not going to dry down very much. I'm going to leave it on and I'll show you, or leave it on my hand and I'll show you guys in a couple of minutes. But it is very like lip balmy finish. It's not going to like dry down. It's going to stay high shine like that. Which if you like that look, cool. But to me, these are the lipsticks that rub off on your teeth and like get all over everything you touch with your lips. And this Buxom gel lipstick is available on Ulta.com and at their website. And this one retails for $22 at both websites. Okay, on to the next. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. I personally love her liquid lipsticks. I'm not a person that minds super dry lipsticks because I always put like a chapstick under them, so I don't mind them. But if you don't like super dry like liquid lipsticks, then obviously stay away from this one. But this one is in the color Sepia, and it looks like this. It looks very nudey, like soft nude in the container, in the whatever it's called. But it is a little bit darker. Now it still has to dry. Also, side note, this has been on my hand already for like at least 15 minutes and it's still very shiny, so it's not going to dry down. This one, however, as it dries down, the color might change. It might look a little different, but it'll be the same color, nudie taupey brown. And I'll show you once it's completely dried down. Now this one is at Sephora.com. I did not see it on their website. Maybe I missed it. I'm not sure. But these are $20 a piece. Yeah, $20 a piece. So as it continues to dry down, I'll show you guys. But lastly, I have, this is the only item I didn't know. It is the NARS Quad Eyeshadow Palette. I believe, I don't think I own one thing from NARS, and that is a pencil sharpener or a makeup sharpener or whatever you want to call it. It's a pencil sharpener. think that's the only thing I own from them. Okay, so this one is in the color Mojave. I'm not sure if they have other color schemes. And this one's pretty nice. It's very typical, I would say, like your everyday kind of wear. It is with a dark brown, a little shimmer, and I want to say that none of these are going to be matte. I don't even want to dig into it because I think I might save this for a giveaway. But this looks pretty satiny. Like, you can even see the reflection there. You can't really see it that well. But this is a quad eyeshadow. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to save it. Possibly for a giveaway. We'll see. We'll see. But it's very pretty. I like this sparkly color a lot. But I already know that I have probably all of these colors already. So this one you can find on their website for $52. I'm not sure if it's at Sephora or anywhere else. That's just where I saw this specific one, the Mojave one. I did go in and look, and I checked for you guys because I felt like I was going to let you know about all of them except for that one. But that is all of the items. Again, quick rundown. That was the Laura Geller Baked Blush. That was the Too Faced highlight in the color You Light Up My Life. The Buxom Gel Liquid Lipstick. Not liquid lipstick. Gel lipstick. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick with the NARS. Oops. Quad eyeshadow palette. So again, I'm not gonna swatch this one because I'm gonna save it. So now as far as all of it combined, all the makeup in the package, that is $153 worth of makeup. I paid $50 for the box. So you do get a good amount of makeup for the price. So far, if we continue to do these, we will see how the makeup will be coming. You never know. Like I said earlier, I will try to link the lady where I bought the mystery box from. I got it from eBay. Like I said, she said this is all authentic makeup. It looks it. But yeah, this highlight, I wish you could see it. I feel like I'm not going to be able to show. Oh, I don't know if you can see right there. It has like a couple of dark specks. I don't know if that's a normal thing for the highlight, if it could be older. I'm not really sure. So if you do follow the link to buy, I'm just saying I'm going based off of what she told me, and she said that all her makeup is good and everything like that. It looks fine. If I'm being honest, I will probably still use it, which I probably, you know, do that often. But this is the sepia color, a little bit matted down. It's a little wet on the side, but it is a beautiful color. Now, as much as I love this, and maybe we'll continue to do this on my channel, realistically, for those of you guys that maybe want to save a little bit more on their makeup but still want to try things out, do consider Boxy Charm. I love Boxy Charm. I've had Boxy Charm now for, I don't know, maybe 3-4 years. I will link my link below. I think they give you like a discount, or they give you like charms, and I think they give me charms if you click on the link and sign up through them. But I believe theirs is $21 a month, and they send you 4 to 5 full-size items, I believe. I'll link any information down below. I'll type it out for you guys in the description. But I've never had a Boxy Charm that I didn't not like. Like, I pretty much love everything in the box. It also pushes me to try different things. But I will link the eBay link of where I got this box. Again, the box was $50, but the makeup in it was total to be $153. So that is pretty cool. yeah, I can't think of anything else that I want to let you guys know, but if I do think of anything, I'll put it in the description down below. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. If you do like my content, please don't forget to subscribe on your way out, like the video, and comment down below anything else that you'd like to see, any ideas that you might have. I will have more videos for you guys soon. I have a few ideas in my head, but thank you guys again, and I will see you guys next time. Adios! Also, for the record, I did change my lip color in the middle of this video. I was having technical difficulties, but maybe I'll talk about that item in a different video. But no, you're not crazy. The lip color changed. I don't... You guys, I just realized that I don't even have mascara on. Great.